Is health insurance a scam? It's a question I get asked a lot. Main reason being is a lot of people feel like they're paying a bunch in monthly to something that they don't get any benefit for, or when they have to use it, they still have to have a copay, they have to meet a deductible, or some of these things I go over in some of my other videos, right? I don't think health insurance at a concept is a scam. What makes health insurance a scam is the lack of education behind it and the lack of options people have of finding it on its own. As most of you know, you can go online, you could go on with the healthcare.gov or go to your marketplace of your state, and you can find a policy there that is extremely high in price, and then you type in your income, whether it be 40, 50,000, maybe less, and you may qualify for a great deal, but then at the end of the year, you have to pay back a bunch in taxes, right, that you weren't aware about because other factors that go into play rather than just your income. Or you go on there and you pay full price for a plan, and the end of the year comes and your neighbor or your buddy says, hey, I got a plan that I was paying $200 for, or paying way cheaper, whatever the case be. And if you were just educated in what your options would be by common knowledge, we'd be in a much better space. So I don't think health insurance at a concept is a scam. I think the lack of education behind it is. And hopefully if you guys were to watch through my videos here, hopefully I can educate you and help you find a better policy for yourself.